Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Rains bring down the hot temperatures and the body begins to demand high-calorie, spicy and nutritious food. And one such dish is potato fritters or aloo vadas, which is known by many names as it is very famous and made almost in all parts of India. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Take potatoes, 6 medium-sized or 400 grams, and now to boil the potatoes. On comes the cooker and add water from any natural source. Add the potatoes and add any natural salt and turmeric powder and shut the cooker and boil for 12 minutes. Potatoes boiled and switch off the heat. Allow the steam to escape on its own. Do not force the steam. Now, when done, peel the potatoes. There we are. That is how it should look. And when done, grate or mash the potatoes using a mandolin, a grater or a knife, or simply smash it with a smasher. When done, add Jeeravan, Indore's special masala, which enhances the taste of potatoes. Or you can also use any garam masala. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, any natural salt, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and water fragrance, mango powder, and mix well. Mix well and that is what it should look. But before we go ahead, please to add corrections if required, if any. No, it's perfect. Now shape the potato mix into equal sized balls and set the oil to heat. In the meantime, sieve gram flour or chickpea flour. And ensure no impurities pass through the sieve. When it is done, look at these impurities. Discard them. Add carom seeds, coriander powder, turmeric powder, any natural salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, and now to make the batter. Take water from any natural source. Add the water slowly in small batches and stirring constantly. because here lies the trick. The thinner the batter, the less the oil will be absorbed. Remember that. Now, ensure a lump-free, free-flowing consistency. There you are. But wait, this is the total amount of water that we have used. Now, taste to add corrections if required, if any. Yes, more red chili is required. And again, mix well. Add the baking powder and mix well again. And once again ensure that the batter is lump free and free flowing consistency is achieved. Now this done, add and coat the potato mix balls well with the batter. In the meantime, the oil is hot, so add the potato mix balls to the hot oil to deep fry in. And stir them occasionally till they are goldenish brown in color. There you are. Looks perfect, isn't it? That's what is required. And plate it. Continue with the rest of the potato fritters or aloo vadas till all of them are done. And once done, puncture some garden fresh green chilies and deep fry the garden fresh green chilies. They go very well with potatoes or aloo vadas. Now, when green chilies are done, remove them from the hot oil, drain off the excess oil and plate it and consume the potato fritters or aloo vadas with dips and sauces and tea or coffee of your choice. And remember to serve all your known tools.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.